welcome back from my Chang channel. So today let's practice some of absolute value exercises. So for the number 1, we have modulus of 2x equal to 3, right? So modulus equal, so we have two conditions, 2x equal to plus or minus 3, right? So 2x can be equal to 3 or 2x can be equal to negative 3. So when we divide both sides with 2, it will be equal to 3 over 2 or negative 3 over 2. Okay. 2, we have modulus of x less than 3. Okay, so x can be, as we already learned from the properties, can be greater than negative 3 but less than 3. So let's describe in the number line here. We have 0 and we have negative 3 and we have positive 3. Okay. And when we draw it, so here is negative 3 and here is positive 3. X is larger than negative 3, which we have to sketch on the right side, and less than positive 3, so the left side. The solution lies between these. As there is no equal sign here, we have to leave the whole circle here. Okay, and for the solution set, the answer lies between negative 3 and positive 3, and there is no equal sign here, so there will be round bracket. And for the number 3, we have modulus of x minus 4 less than 1. Okay, so from the properties, we already know x minus 4 greater than negative 1 and less than 1. And when we add 4 to both sides, we have negative 1 plus 4. We have 3 less than x less than 5. And let's sketch in the number line. We have 3, 4, 5, okay? 3 is here and 5 is here. Greater than equal 3, so we have to sketch on the left side, and less than 5, so we have to sketch on the left, or previously it's right side, right? Now it's left side, so the answer line between 3 and 5, and we should not sketch because there is no equal sign here, so solution set becomes 3, 5 round bracket. So that's it. For number 4, okay, for number 4, we have modulus of x plus 5 greater than equal to. Okay, so according to the properties, x plus 5 greater than equal to, or x plus 5 less than equal negative 2. Okay, so subtract negative 5 to both sides. We have 2 minus 5 or x plus 5 minus 5 less than negative 2, negative 5. So it becomes x greater than negative 3 or x less than negative 7. So let's describe in the number line here. We have negative 3, negative 5, and negative 7 here. So the answer line between negative 3 and negative 7 here. So it's greater than negative 3, so we have to sketch on the right side of negative 3 and sketch it because there is equal sign here. And less than negative 7, sketch the left side, and we have to fill this as there is equal sign. There is negative infinity here and positive infinity here. So let's solution set become negative infinity to negative 7. Okay, round bracket. There is equal sign. There will be square bracket. Union negative 3 to positive infinity round bracket. So that's it. This is number 4. And number 5 here, we have module 1 less than equal modulus of x less than equal 4. So according to the properties, we will have two solutions. The first one is x lines positive 1 and negative 1 or x lines between -1 and -4. Okay, so let's draw in the number line. We have 1, 2, 4, and the next one we have -4 here, -2 and -1. Okay, so when we sketch it, here is 1 and here is 4. Greater than 1, so to the right side, and less than 4, so sketch to the left side and fill it, right? Because they are equal sign. And this one, greater than -1, so sketch to the left side, and less than -4, so sketch to the left side. So will the solution set equal? Let's check. We have 1, 2, 4, right? Both have equal signs, so square bracket. And this one, for the solution set, we have, here is -infinity and here is +infinity. So lines between -infinity to -4, infinity to -4, square bracket and round bracket union, -1 to +infinity, round bracket. So we have different solution set and we get different number line, different solution set. So if you have any question, feel free to ask me. And we are also providing like a one-on-one math tutoring. So if you want to know more, message me through this email, changsarmoho@gmail.com. I hope you have a wonderful day, and bye bye, and see you in my next video.